quick reading for March the 13th to March the 14th. Scorpio, your cards are the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Chariot. So, nakita natin dito na your person probably walked out of their way, leaving you alone because the Five of Pentacles signifies that someone left out the other person in the cold, no? Pero nakikita natin dito with the Seven of Wands, parang I think that your person is strategizing to reach back to you, to probably make their way of returning. Nakita natin talagang umalis si person, like literally, no, na pumunta ng ibang lugar, um, probably naggala-gala, hindi ka kasama. I think merong doon sa kanyang journey na parang nakapagpa-realize sa kanya na this relationship ain't over. This relationship should continue, and I feel like meron pa siyang magagawa, no, to parang surpass the challenges with you. Kaya parang nakikita natin dito na either tatawagan ka niya, papasunurin ka niya sa lugar kung nasaan siya, or susunduin ka niya. It may be literal or it may be metaphoric. So this is your quick reading for March the 13th to 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.